United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 249, duty to comply with certain conditions. 1. States and competent international organizations, when undertaking marine scientific research, in the exclusive economic zone, or on the continental shelf of a coastal state shall comply with the following conditions. A. Ensure the right of the coastal state, if it so desires, to participate, or be represented in the marine scientific research project, especially on board research vessels and other craft or scientific research installations, when practicable, without payment of any remuneration to the scientists of the coastal state and without obligation to contribute towards the costs of the project. B. Provide the coastal state, at its request, with preliminary reports, as soon as practicable, and with the final results and conclusions after the completion of the research. C. Undertake to provide access for the coastal state, at its request, to all data and samples derived from the marine scientific research project, and likewise to furnish it with data which may be copied and samples which may be divided without detriment to their scientific value. D. If requested, provide the coastal state with an assessment of such data, samples and research results, or provide assistance in their assessment or interpretation. E. Ensure, subject to paragraph 2, that the research results are made internationally available through appropriate national or international channels, as soon as practicable. F. Inform the coastal state immediately of any major change in the research program. G. Unless otherwise agreed, remove the scientific research installations or equipment once the research is completed. 2. This article is without prejudice to the conditions established by the laws and regulations of the coastal state for the exercise of its discretion to grant or withhold consent pursuant to Article 246, paragraph 5, including requiring prior agreement for making internationally available the research results of a project of direct significance for the exploration and exploitation of natural resources,